As I stood there digging, I realised it was completely pointless.
This is fucking pointless!
It was time for some extensive research. After my leads in the pub and hours of searching the internet, I'd managed to track down a couple of high-profile actors who most likely worked with Jay. Right, boys, thanks for meeting me. I know you're both very busy. But some material has come to light that places you in a certain film called Geordie Whore. Starred a certain housemate called Mr. Jay McRae. Ring any bells?
We see we see so many people.
So tell me, Geordie Whore, yes or no?
Well, it wasn't our finest moment, was it? You know,
It was not.
That was easy enough, wasn't it? Okay, can I get a rock cake and a custard tart, please?
Of course, not all informants lead to evidence. It's part and parcel of being a reporter. Sometimes you just have to go further and further undercover to get results. I'd